Hop in.
Welcome to the 49th annual Sully Antique Car Show. It's a wonderful way to spend Father's Day with your father or grandfather, someone really special. There are over 200 cars that are competing in various classes. Car shows are very important because it's a part of Americana. We can all recall Henry Ford back in 1908 with the Model T. That development allowed people to have access to travel and be able to have recreational opportunities, making Sully Historic Site the perfect place for a car show.
This car, for whatever reason, always attracts people, car people, non-car people. They always want to talk about it, ask about it. It's really just been an incredible ambassadorship for the hobby. It gives memories of maybe a better time, or at least a different time.
I like to see the stuff that I once rode in, drove, or maybe even owned.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's kind of cool, you know, hearing some of the stories, some of the things that he's had or experienced or, you know, ridden in, and just
this year we get to share him with a new
share
guy.
it with this one. Yeah.
The Fairfax County Park Authority is in partnership with the George Washington Car Club. We're looking forward to seeing you next year at our 50th anniversary. To get more information, you want to visit our website, which is fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/Sully